Yeah, I'm standing in front of, I'm standing outside, I'm standing on Murray Street. I'm in Murray Street Mall. I've had lunch, pretty full now. There's nothing really that I'm going to film today. Like, it's a pretty, overcast day. As you can see, it's pretty overcast. Yep, pretty overcast day. There's not much I can tell you about it. This is Murray Street Mall. Murray Street Mall. Just standing inside Murray Street Mall, not doing much. Yeah, it's pretty overcast. Pretty overcast day. Can't really see much. Like overcast. There's building construction happening. There's pretty flowers there. Look at that flower, it's so pretty. Look at that flower, it's so pretty. Yeah, it's a pretty flower. So yeah, it's a pretty humid day though. Standing on Murray Street. Yep, Murray Street over the other side. Murray Street Mall. See the street sign? Murray Street Mall. Yep, Murray Street Mall. Street sign. Zoom in. Yep, Murray Street Mall. And there's some other constructions happening there. And it's walking along Barrack Street now, traffic lights. So yeah, another very interesting day that I'm going to show you today. But yeah, I thought I'd show you a glimpse of the city again on a very, overcast day. Yes, very overcast day, indeed. Okay, this is Zinni, out.